What does it take to feel safe? What does it take to feel seen, loved and protected within a relationship? How much of you can you show? How much of you can you let be seen fully? Without feeling criticized or other people feeling triggered by you. What does it take to create a healthy connection with someone if you don't even have a healthy connection with yourself? You, first of all, don't accept all of you. You reject first parts of yourself. All the time you criticize yourself, you blame yourself, you avoid yourself. Is that a learned skill, I wonder? Or is it an automatic response? We adopt it to feel safe. All research and psychologists point towards the second. It's a protection mechanism. Rejecting parts of ourselves so that we can fit the expectations of our caregivers. But for how long can you continue to do that? For how long does it actually feel safe in your body to do that? Your body always holds the truth, but the truth it holds is also directly linked to the narratives in your mind. So yes, your body gives you signs of whether a connection or not is safe for you, but at the same time, it's also what you say to yourself about this connection. And based on that narrative, the body essentially responds. They are interlinked always. Who comes first, who comes second? Doesn't really matter, but they are both interlinked. Changing the narrative usually changes the sensations and feelings in your body as well. But then pay attention not to gaslight yourself, right? About what you're feeling. So the process is as follows. From my personal experience, at least, the way I navigate that. I feel a sensation in my body. Over the last few days, I felt actually more than a sensation. I felt what I would call kind of a panic attack. I don't know. But I was all tense, crying a lot, and feeling unsafe, essentially. feeling also unable to calm myself down. So I let it move through me. So you feel the sensation. You feel a stronger sensation or a lighter sensation, doesn't matter. And you pay attention to it. You just observe it, sensing it's there. But you don't have to know why it's there. Your mind will directly go into the questioning, what is this and why it's there and what I'm feeling and how can I get out of it. That only perpetuates the problem. So just try to breathe in order to regulate yourself as much as possible and let it flow through you. Let it take over, essentially. Just allow it to be there. Just hug yourself if you need to in the process. Find a quiet place away from other people if that's what you need to do. Or find someone to hug you if that's also what you need to do. And just allow it to be there and express it fully. Leave it. Don't question it, don't judge it, don't explain it. Don't give it power by these means. If something comes up, a thought, a narrative, observe it. Don't invalidate it. Doesn't mean it's invalid. It's just probably linked to the sensation you're feeling in that moment. So it's important that after you calm down, you sit with that narrative. You can journal if you want, or you can speak it out loud or within your own head or with someone, and just start unfolding the narrative and what's behind it. And at least then you will have more clarity and more objective truth of what that was and why you felt the way you felt. And you will also be given now a choice how to move forward with it. And it's not a choice that it's right or wrong, or if I make the wrong choice, what will happen? No. No choice is also a choice. Sometimes we are caught up in this cycle of what if I choose wrong? What then? And that just keeps bringing us back to the same problem, the same fear, the same sensations. And just remember, everything is temporary. Every moment you have the possibility for different choice. Every moment you have the possibility to change your mind. Every choice comes with a consequence, perhaps, but that doesn't forbid you from changing your mind. And even if your initial choice was wrong, or to your disadvantage eventually, know that this was the best choice that you could have done in that moment. And that this will lead you to a lesson that you were always meant to have, an experience. If you're interested in exploring more the theme of connection and how we can relate to ourselves and others in healthier and more empowering ways, I invite you to join me to a workshop I'm holding on Saturday, 24th of January at 7 p.m. Greek time. You can find the link in the description below. Just drop me an email and I will send you the link to the online workshop. It's completely free. I'll be honored to hold this space for you, and it's an interactive session, so yeah. Take care.